Okay, so listen, I'm hand-holding this. I'm winging it as usual. It's the first day of the Long Beach show, which, you know, used to be called ISS Long Beach, right? Now it's Impressions Expo or something. So I'm here at the Ranar booth. I got to look at the screen a little bit to see what I'm doing, so sorry. And I have to admit, the drive over was pretty cool. I drove that big red truck and stuff, but I realized how old I was when I tried to put a CD into the non-existent CD player. Okay, so evidently it's time for Catspit to get some kind of media player because, you know, I have CDs. Well, anyway, it looks busy. It's Friday, and yeah, I'll try to give you a little bit of inside the scenes, behind the scenes, whatever it is, and all that jazz. All right, so let me maybe show you a little bit of what we have at the show this year, which is, you know, pretty much similar stuff that we bring every year. So let's check it out. All right, so here we are at the Ranar booth. This is 2020 ISS Long Beach, or what is to be known as Impressions Expo. From here on out, I guess they're going with their magazine name or something, I don't know. So here's the little DA1616 air flash with the, you know, dual air, so you can turn it on and off. We got the Elite 6.6, of course. Okay, and over there we've got a little D1820 infrared with control. Got the CBX, of course. We sell a lot of those suckers. And yeah, LED exposure unit. And Kirstar 4000, of course, sell a ton of those. Little DX200, I sell a bunch of those as well. And then, of course, we've got the Vista 4.4 here this year. So it's pretty cool. And yeah, that's it. Pretty simple stuff for the show this year. It's looking pretty good. It's only Friday, and it's been pretty busy. Dark Knight Studios. Shout out to Dark Knight Studios. He came by and said hello, so that was awesome. We've already seen several people who watched the Catspit videos and whatnot. And yeah, so it's pretty cool. We'll, you know, we'll see. We're going to go stop by AWT, make some videos there, so we'll do a quick run by over there before we actually go over there and make some videos. All right, so have I babbled on long enough? I'm sure many of you are telling me to shut up right now as you yell at your computer screen. Of course, here's Image Tech with the ink mixer. Remember last year we did the video on the ink mixer? So I'm a dealer for Image Tech, of course, as you guys know. So if you have questions or looking for quotations on the Mad Ink Mixer from Image Tech, you know, and then of course they also do you know, other custom products, you know, screen making type stuff. So yeah, don't forget I can help you out with Image Tech as well. Here's Techmar. Don't forget, I'm an authorized dealer for Techmar. You know, so they have all the spot cleaning guns and adhesive applicators and all kinds of cool stuff. So if you need any Techmar stuff, give me a call. Here's the Saudi scoop coater. You know, and again, if you guys want to buy one of these, you're interested in it, I can help you out. Connect you with Saudi, connect you with my guy who will take good care of you. Pretty cool. Check it out. This would actually be perfect for me because my shoulders are such a pain, literally and figuratively, that sometimes when I coat screens, I have a difficult time because of the pain in my shoulders. So imagine if I could afford one of these, that would be like, yeah. Right, guys? Talk about convenience. I like how they have the screen burned like a positive, you know, sign. I was going to do that with something in the storefront, like a Catspit thing, but burned backwards, and So awesome. Cool stuff. Look at this dryer box, big vertical sucker. Wow. Look at that. Let's see if we can open it. I wonder if I get in trouble. See? They got some screens in there to expose. That's cool. I didn't get yelled at, so that's good. Let's keep going. And then, of course, Saudi has the pneumatic stretchers and stuff. They usually bring one of these every year, so I can help you out with these too if you want. Just hit up Catspit Productions. This is actually a product from Nortec. What do we call this? The Eco? This is the Eco HD. So this is like a newer version of the Eco screen. It's supposed to be mad high tension. We've looked at, well, actually I've looked at these, and maybe we'll have to do a video on them. I have a couple in the storefront that we could look at. So it's kind of like a, you know, a stretching device. It pulls the mesh on there, and the screen frame holds the mesh, snaps into place. I'm sure you guys have seen some of these around. So that's cool. We'll have to see. Maybe we'll look at those when I get back from the show, and we'll take a look at these things. Alright, so I'm walking around the show and I meet lots of people and stuff, and it's funny because I'm trying not to get sick, and you shake a lot of hands at the show, right? So I just shook somebody's hand, and then he said, "Oh, I have a cold." So I'm trying to go wash my hands before I contaminate myself. You know, it's this hand. This hand's contaminated with cold germs. So let's take care of that before I contaminate the whole camera. Alright, so I just wanted to show you, since we're in the Ranar booth goofing around vlogging today, this is the new, or an add-on tracking device that we have on the Curstar 4000 and 6000 and such. Are we putting this on all the dryers now?
Yes.
And all the dryers. Alright, so it's a little belt tensioning type system that will pull up the slack on the belt on each side and help you track it in combination with the pulley adjustments on the other side of the dryer. So if you can see that there. Okay, and there. Okay, so it's really sunny. I can't see anything. It's day 2 here, Saturday. So Friday was pretty busy. We did our little vloggy vlog, just finishing that up. So today, I'm going to go in and try to do some product videos with AWT, especially. And maybe Saudi if they have something. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. So couple videos we'll get, and that's it. So today ends the vlog and begins some product videos. Stay tuned for those, and I hope you enjoy.